Hi there, welcome to my channel. Do watch my last video related to Google Web Story, how to increase the image resolution. Today I am making a video on a different niche. Yes, not about solving your issues, but wanting to solve the issues. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. Learn with Albert Pinto technical tips via tutorial. This is my site Goa My Goa, and I have created a story based on this article, Heart Lake, Goa. I will take you to the dashboard and show you the story. Let's click on Stories and then All Stories. I have created 3 stories so far. And here is the story on Heart Lake, Goa. Let's move on to the dashboard. This is the story which was published on 19th Jan, and then very next day this story was live. Let's watch the story first. And now I will show you the analytics live show. Great to see so many visitors coming into your site. Now the real issues begin. I will take you to Google Search Console first. I will take you to the sitemap also. Until today on 21st, after 1.5 days, the story being live, the Discover or AMP button is not appearing here. Question: how many days it takes for the story to get discovered? This is my first question to Google. Second question: why does Google does not inform the creators that the story is discovered and it will be live anytime? My third question, and very important one, I will take you to Google AdSense. You can see here the performance report. The views are coming regularly and very good for any site. And I am glad the visitors are coming in numbers. Bravo Google for this discovery. But where are my views? See the site page views. For today, here only 9 views. Where are all the web story views are going and why they are not shown here? Are they not included or counted as common views along with site views? I have watched few important videos here, but no one is talking about these main issues. Another point or issue I have realized is my views on sites have gone so much down and even the clicks have gone down. Why? Let me show you something more. This is the same question I have searched for, and here is the answer from Google. But I have only one publisher ID and still I don't know how this error is coming. You can see here this guy is also has the same publisher ID issues. Let's check below the next issue. Page views are not completely shown. And finally this thread was disabled by Google. I'm sure many of you will have these issues as well. So comment below and let's see how many of you bloggers are having such doubt or issues. Just comment whatever issues are coming to your mind related to Google Stories. And now my final question to all. Is Google Web Stories really worth? Because my clicks and regular views are reduced a lot. Earlier the views and clicks were more. This is a $1 million question. And now the twist on this video, so keep watching little more. Your first question and my answer is here. How many days does it take for the story to get discovered? Well, it all depends on how good is your story. Have you completed all the checklists correctly? If yes, then it will be discovered next day or after 2 days or even later than 5 to 10 days. Second question, why Google does not inform the creators that the story is discovered and it will be live anytime? You can immediately see on Google Analytics when your story is discovered. Views will come pouring in, pouring, ho ho, yes, pouring like raindrops. You can see here the performance report. The views are coming regularly and very good for any. But where are my views? Now let's go again to Google Search Console to understand the things a little better. You can see here the AMP icon is visible and this has come after 3 days, so don't expect things to happen overnight. Give time. Let's click on AMP at the moment. Here you see 2 of my stories included. Go down little. Let's click on indexed AMP pages. Go down here. And here are the 2 URLs. Now, where is the discover button? Why it is not here? What's wrong? Arey bhai, this option also will come to you soon. The discover option is available at the moment you reach the threshold on your story views. But how much is the threshold? I will read the requirement now. Content is automatically eligible to appear in Discover if it is indexed by Google and meets Discover's content policies. No special tags or structured data are required. Please note that being eligible to appear in Discover is not a guarantee of appearing. But not to worry much, I will also solve this issue now. Here you can see the discover option is visible and the number of views I have generated after the story being published. So I have answered your doubt. इसके लिए एक लाइक तो जरूर बनता है भाई. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video until the end. You take care and bye bye.